Hello guys, in today's video we're going to talk about Microsoft Teams versus Slack, which is best at work and chatting platforms and applications this year. So let's begin. When it comes to team communication, Microsoft Teams and Slack both dominate, but they suit different workflows. Teams is built around Microsoft 365, which powerful tools, with powerful tools for meetings, file sharing, and tight security, making it ideal for large, structured companies. It's powerful but can feel complex and cluttered. Now, Slack, on the other hand, is cleaner and more flexible. It's perfect for fast moving teams who want simple messaging, easy integrations, and a lighter interface. But it may lack some of the deeper innate features larger organizations need. So the bottom line is Teams is the best choice for enterprise environments. Slack is better for agile teams who want fast, simple, and flexible communication. And that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.